Hi, everyone. I hope that you're doing okay. Please send me a message if you are having any trouble with your internet or with the computer. I know Miss Kwan is checking things out still, but just send me a message, whether it's through Remind or through Schoology. I hope you guys have been safe, and I hope that your families are healthy. Keep washing your hands. I actually did a ALEKS webinar the other day, so I learned a few things. So today I'm going to show you a few things that I don't know if you know how to do already, but please watch this video. I've been making some extra resources and uploading them, so I'll show you how to access them so you can best use ALEKS, especially if you get stuck on anything. All right, so when you sign in, this is what you should see. This is just my student account. Here you can see how many topics you've mastered and how many you've learned since your last knowledge check. And since there's a total of 176 topics in the course, if I've learned 75 or I've mastered 75, I have 101 remaining. So you probably know by now, but if you click on this, you can see what percent of the course you're done with. Here's your ALEKS Pi. You can also look at your timeline. So I have 10 topics left, and they're due Sunday night. So let me show you some of the things that I learned, because this you probably already know. So when you start your path, or when you continue your path, you're going to get problems that come up right here. And as you know, you can click on this to select different types of problems. Now, something that I didn't know that you might, but I thought was pretty cool, is that you can see what's tagged on each of these. So if you learn better from videos, you can see that this skill, this topic, Introduction to the Power of a Product Rule of Exponents, does not have a video with it. But multiplying binomials with leading coefficients greater than 1, this does have a video to accompany it. So if you click on it, and then you look on the side right here, you can't use a calculator, but this right here shows you there is a video you can watch on this. So click on this video, and you can see there's actually 2 videos that will help you with this problem. So you can watch the video on the FOIL method. It'll be a video from some random instructor, and they'll show you an example of how to use the FOIL method. I don't know why it's not playing right now, but it should play for you. And then there's one on the distributive method as well, if you need a little bit more background knowledge. So that's where you can find the videos. These are ones that were already created that already come with the ALEKS program. Now let's look at some other topics. So see, this has a video. These all have videos. Those 2 of the 3 have videos. 2 of these 3 have videos. Now you see how this one says video, comma, instructor resources? That's because I created a video, or I created a resource that I uploaded for this one. So if you click on this one, solving a word problem involving rates and time conversion, and then you look down here, see how this first tab has a little teacher, the chalkboard? That's the resource that I created for this. So if you click on it, it might ask you if you want to open it. Just click on yes, and it'll take you to YouTube, and it'll take you to the video that I created with an example for this topic. And it'll work. It's just a little bit slow on my computer. So that's how you get to the resources. Now let's say you watch the videos that I created, the videos that come with ALEKS already, and you're still having some difficulty, right? As you can see, besides the calculator, the instructor resources, the dictionary, there's also this message center right here. So if you're still struggling with this topic, click on that button and you can actually send a message directly to me. Now it's more helpful if you click on that button, because then it'll already tell me which problem you're working on, right? I can see that from my own end, but I have to get there by following a few different steps, so it's a little more difficult. So if you just say, I need help, and the more specific you are, the easier it'll be for me to help you. Like, I don't understand where the 5.25 is coming from. If you ask a more specific question, or if you can just say, I'm lost, help, it's better than nothing, right? This is obviously a more helpful question for me to see than this. Got to use correct grammar. But then you can just send it right here, right? So you can just send it to me, and then that way I'll see it in my inbox. So I'm I'm sending out these videos to certain people. That was me getting the message. I've been sending out certain videos that I created to everyone who's ready to learn that topic. So once I create a video, you might get a message in your email, but I'm not going to keep doing that the whole time that we're doing ALEKS. So you'll just have to make sure that you can utilize these on your own. Okay, let's make sure that we've gone over everything. So that's how we learn. When it comes time for us to do a comprehensive knowledge check, because we're probably going to have to do one outside of school, you really want to use the review button. The review button is going to come in really handy. These are topics that you've already done before, but you're going to want to go back because it's been, about 13 weeks since you took your last comprehensive knowledge check. So these will be topics that you've already mastered up here, but I'd still like you to go back and practice, especially the ones that look difficult, right? Maybe some of the ones that don't have videos too, or you can go back and watch the videos as a recap. So that's mainly what I wanted to show you. Hopefully that's helpful. And please send me any messages. The best thing that you can do during this time is communicate with me however you can. Good luck with everything. Again, I hope that you're doing well. And please finish your 10 topics by Sunday night, but the earlier the better. All right, have a good one.